So today we're going to take a walk from Tamraght to Taghazout, which is about 3.5 miles along the beach, along the coast behind me. As you can see, it's quite a nice day, sun's out, blue skies, plenty of people in the water surfing. It's actually a lovely area. They don't tell you about this in the hotel brochure, but in and outside the hotel, either side, is really fantastic, full of people, full of life, full of all sorts going on. Such a nice, colourful area, brilliant. Let's go and have a walk down to Taghazout. Starting in Tamraght, you can either park at the free car park, or it's perfect from the door if you're staying at a hotel on the seafront. We stayed at the Pic Albatross White Beach Resort, and you can check out our review video. There are many legends around the powers of Devil's Rock, including a local tradition for a woman to find her husband. With its prominent position, it was previously home to the Portuguese fortress Ben Mirau, but all that remains today is a low wall.
Above the beach at Tamraght sit several surf and yoga centres and cafes for refreshments, with parasols and sunbeds available on the beach itself, which is known as Ibn Immourane.
There are dozens of beach activities available along Ibn Immourane, from surfing to camel riding, and from jet skis to yoga. Maybe you'll find your next holiday activity along the way.
You can either stroll along the prom past the hotels, especially if you have mobility difficulties, or head down to walk along the beach. The sand is wide and solid, so it's easy walking.
For this walk, you're best with a comfortable pair of sandals and beachwear. We also took a backpack with water, sunscreen and a towel. In warm weather, you'll want to swim at Taghazout.
The walk from Tamraght to Taghazout was one of our favourite days out. At just over 3.5 flat miles each way, it was so relaxed and chilled out with facilities at both ends. Here we are in Taghazout, gorgeous little surfing town. It's been a good walk along the beach, so we'll have a little look around the town, have a bit of relax by the sea and see what we can find. Let's have a look. Taghazout is home to a warren of lanes full of independent shops. Primarily these sell clothes, including local weaving and leather, beach products and surf equipment. But there is also a little phone shop if, like us, you've run out of SD card space.
Blue and white boats in the bay show Taghazout's tradition as a fishing village lives on, and most days you can find local fishermen trading to the local restaurants. There are two stunning beaches to enjoy in Taghazout, the long sandy beach we walked along and a beautiful little bay in the centre. We chose a small bay for a sunbathe and a swim to break up the journey before we were heading back.
Taghazout has great food choice, including beachfront cafes with a view, street cafes, street vendors, and fresh fruit juice stalls. We chose a freshly cooked chicken salad wrap and fresh orange juice from street stalls to enjoy on the beach. To this. Right, let's try the tacos. £3 street tacos from Taghazout. It will be. It's been on the grill for ages.
Oh, nice that.
Excellent. How's your juice? Jus d'orange. Street juice.
Oh, it's fresh.
Good.
It's good.
Excellent. After exploring the town, it's time to walk back along the beach to enjoy the epic views in both directions. Or if you prefer, there are buses and taxis to take you back to the start point.